birds. There's a bird. There's a couple birds stuck in here. One's down in there.
Okay. Come here.
No. Go.
Don't come back in here. Go.
Was that the one you just got out of there?
Yeah. There's 3 more out here. There's one back in there.
You go get it.
Pepper!
I don't like birds.
Pepper! You stay here and make sure none comes back in while I go.
Well, if they do, I'm running. But okay.
You listen. Tell me if you hear it.
Okay, if it comes out, I'm not gonna know where it's at. I hear you, buddy. I know. You guys hear it? Keep cheeping. Let's go check in my closet and see if he's in there. Oh, I really don't like birds, but I think he's actually back in here. Let's listen.
It went up inside the insulation. Here. Poke it up in there. Poke it. I'm going to do a YouTube video that Brittany's afraid of birds.
I am afraid of birds. See, there it is. Yeah, he's on top of the closet. So we go take the pokey stick and we poke him.
We can take the panel out of the closet.
No!
See if it come out that way.
I don't know if he's in the closet or not, but he's back to the left.
Back that way.
Yeah, that's where I heard him at. But I don't know if he's in the closet or not.
Don't come in here.
I love how you turn on the flashlight, like turn it on, like
I know, like you'll stop it.
you're gonna zap it. Well,
Let me lift the panel up in that closet.
no,
Let's go get a panel.
no.
That's the only way he's gonna come out, Brittany.
Well, Thomas shouldn't have been stupid.
I don't think he can get out of the insulation.
Nope.
That's why we're gonna have to open a panel.
Nope. I found him. No,
He can stay in there with you.
no.
Okay,
Pepper.
get ready.
No,
Get ready.
no,
Brittany, he kissed the baby.
no,
Hey, I see him over there.
no,
He's looking for a way out.
no.
Tell him come down
And he's
towards
coming.
you.
He may come out to the Bay Area right now.
I'm all for helping him as long as I'm not doing it.
There he is. I seen him flutter. There he is.
He's on his way out.
Okay, he's out here. Now he went back. Let me open the door.
Oh, I see him. I see him. Mammal, he's right there.
Okay.
Come get him.
Well, I want him to come to the door.
Well, he's not moving. And if he comes towards me, I'm running.
Hey, Steve. He's in here on the floor.
No.
Come on. Come on.
Oh, I see him. Dale, you want to come get him?
Found him?
Yeah.
I thought Brittany was going to get him.
No.
You see where that leg is? He's on the back side of the leg. You can.
He's so blind.
You got it. You got it. Hand it to Brittany.
No! Okay, you can go. Bye, Thomas. Don't come back. Go live your life.